I know you haven't asked for it, but I want to tell you about the fungus that grows on that birch tree over there. It's a hoof fungus, also known as Tinder fungus, and that already gives it away pretty much. At least a few thousand years it's been used as a way to not only spark a fire, but also to transport it, because it just holds that spark for a long time. If you want to make it even more potent, you can use those soft parts, cut them into strips and let them soak basically in your pee, because that eventually makes it really rich in nitrate and then be even better at catching a spark. I actually got that from a subscriber back when I had an outdoor channel already more than 10 years ago, and it's kind of weird to think that someone just sent me that and I basically got a fungus that he peed on, but you know, you can always think of things in ways that make it weird, but it's only weird if you make it weird, you know? So it's all good. Today we're going to make a dal with tarka, an Indian lentil dish. The tarka is basically the spiced oil that you pour over the lentils in the end. This dish is actually, I think, quite nice for the outdoors, because not only does it have lots of nutrients, it also is quite compact. I mean, look at that. These are the lentils. I have around about 200 grams of those. If you have more than enough water with you, you can use a little bit to clean the lentils. It's not really necessary, but throwing away the gray water will make the dish foam less later. Now I will add around about 650 milliliters of water. At first I will use a really strong flame until it's boiling hot, and then I will let it simmer, I think is the word, with just a lower heat. In the meantime, what I can now do is use my beautiful cutting board, get my knife. Oh no! Oh, I can use this one. I don't want to get in trouble, and the old account that I used to have got completely shut down because the app did not like me showing my beautiful, beautiful works of art. Not that I did it, someone from Finland made them, and it's just beautiful with a birch handle. I have to see how much I can talk about these things and what I did wrong the last time before I talk more. But we're gonna use this beautiful piece of art to now cut the garlic, which sounds almost insulting because I should be carving something gorgeous with it. But right now I just need my garlic sliced and my chili. Now I have an ant running over my food. Dude, that's chili. I don't know if you want that. Bro, you do not want that. When it comes to the lentils, I want them to turn into a nice mush. Now it should be some 20 minutes later almost. I will be using some vegan butter. This is more than 2 or 3 teaspoons. It's now time to add the garlic and the chili. I will let those roast, fry, heat up. One of them was fine, I'm sure. Until the garlic looks just slightly brown, and then I shall add the spices. Turmeric, salt, cumin, probably forgot one. Oh, it's nice to watch. I can't show you that. I could be nah, I'm not standing up. It's nice to watch, you will believe me, right? Everything's just sizzling a little bit. This is almost done. Why is it doing that? Here we have the lentils, the dal. I have my food right here and I haven't tasted it yet. It's about time. So the consistency is thick but not like solid. This is good. No regrets with the ton of butter. It's delicious. It's really been a while since the last time that I made a fire. When you have a fire, you have home. You have safety, you have, or a little bit of safety from animals, for example, You have warmth, you can prepare food. It gives a sense of comfort. Honestly, it's quite nice to be able to make a fire right now and to have this here. It is something that keeps you busy, that you can just stare at for ages, like a river, for example. I could stare at a river for ages, as I have done sometimes. Also, it's great company, honestly. Might sound a bit awkward, but this time of day is my least favorite time in the forest, because when it's nighttime, I got used to there not being any light, and it's okay, it's normal. I've done it many times, but still, this feeling of okay, the day is ending, night is creeping up on me. It's kind of weird, but always makes me a little bit nervous. I feel like a complete amateur, which I pretty much am. Can you even see me? I used to love making fires as a kid and as a teenager. I used to love it. I made so many fires and I used to cherish them and the memories I had with them. There's this feeling of home and comfort, but I also had plenty of moments where I just really benefited from having a fire. Like I was wet and I was cold and I was in the middle of the forest and I was feeling bad, and then I had the fire and you know, it was just nice. I even went so far to give fires names. I remember Rodrigo, for example, and I don't know why, but I always had to give them names that started with an R. I don't know why. Robert was also really nice. But Rodrigo, he 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 was the best. It was a fire that I made pretty much under a spruce tree, and it was raining heavily, but somehow with that tree over me and maybe some trees above it, I stayed almost completely dry in the heavy rain, and I had a little fire there, which I also could maintain really nicely. It wasn't a struggle, and it kept me warm, and it was just awesome. I don't know if this will be something I get to do for a long time. I don't know if you will like these videos because they do take a lot of time for me to make. I spend a lot of time editing them, and of course I will get faster over time, but it's something that I want to get right, you know? It's something that I care about, and that also makes me proud to see. Either way, you know, if this is something that you will like to see and like to see more of or not, this right here is a lovely memory that I will get to keep and cherish. So, what should we name him? I'll let you choose.
It's already 9 a.m. and I've slept for probably over 8 hours, which is the longest I've slept in like 2 or 3 months. But there's also good news. My hair looks really nice. I woke up like this. For camping standards, that's okay.